Everybody else is having this. Is this Radtel RT860 not a real dual band with dual receive? Okay, so I have the second VFO. You can see I got it down to the Radtel 045 repeater. I'm going to key on the repeater, but watch what it does. It wants to transmit on my All-Star node. All-Star node isn't keying up. It's not coming back to us. It's not working. So what the heck is going on? Somewhere in the software can I say dual receive or dual watch or something? I can't find the setting. Anybody have any idea? Okay, looks like dual standby. I don't know what I did, but I don't remember clicking it off, but it was just off. I was playing around my keys, programming my keys, so ask me how that got shut off. Anyways, let's turn it back on and see what happens. Okay, so I went in the software and enabled dual standby, AA1PR testing. You see that? It's still keying up on my node. It's not transmitting on VFO-B. Why is that? Okay, so if we look at dual standby, you look right above their main area. It's either A or B. You can't do both. So it looks like it's not a true dual band. You can't switch between the two VFOs to transmit on two. So whatever you do on two, it goes back to A, or if I set it to B, whatever's on A will transmit on B. And I tried the two different side push talks on the radio, and whatever I have them set for on the second PTT, it just does that. So it's not really a second PTT. So anyways, Dislidiodo. Okay, went over to put the VFO-B in Killington 440, 444, 550. Let's push the pound button.
1 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1.
Sorry.
0 6.
Covering up the screen, my fat finger there.
1 1 0 4.
Killington 440 keeps breaking squelch. Anyways, it'll listen to two things, but you can only transmit on one VFO. I guess that's the correct way to say it. It's a single... It's a dual band radio, but only a single transmit at a time, but you can listen to a second frequency in the background. Dual receive, I guess, but not dual VFO transmit. I don't know. Never seen a radio like this before. Okay, just made some adjustments to channels. And look at it. Dual standby went back to being shut off. So you know what? I'm going to leave it. I'm going to save the file, write it to the radio, and be done with this thing. I went back through all this stuff. I just seen this. I never noticed this before. Main push-to-talk transmit. Main channel. I had it set to A. Let's try this before I give up on this radio. Well, after all that aggravation, all that almost cussing and swearing, in config 1, middle roll, 2/3 of the bottom, the main push-to-talk transmit. So leaving that A, push that main channel. So if you hit the pound button, go between the two on the VFO. It's my All-Star node. Now if we go back to VFO-B, AA1PR testing. There we go. Now we can transmit on both VFOs. Oh my God. These Chinese radios make no damn sense. You gotta work the quirks out of it. You gotta learn their odd programming system.